welcome back to my video. US dollar index tumbles to weekly low near 100 ahead of Jackson Hole. US dollars index low covered close to 2022 hikes. The list quietly blur Wednesday little gains and pulls together on the drawback in the midst of the improvement in the craving for the gamble complex on Thursday. Without about the dollar's loss, future voting and revis lower substance to being dismissed from the area of cycle top close to 100 prior in the week August 23. The move comes in the midst of shortcoming in US yields as market members prepare for the beginning of the Jackson Hole Symposium later in the day. Meanwhile, financial backer supposed to essentially follow Chief Powell discourse on Friday again of inserting hypothesis of a 7 BPS rate climb at the 5th September gathering. On the last option, CME Group FedWatch to presently sees the likelihood of such a situation at almost 16% from around 14% 7 days prior. Information-wise in the US, one more amendment of the Q2 GDP growth rate is expected, later backed by common initial claim for the week finished on August. What to share from around USD? The resumption of the gamble on mindset among financial backers house the dollar from the new trial of yearly finance north of the 100 Fed range, reinforcing the dollar's solidarity. Seems the firm feeling of the Federal Reserve to continue climb rates until expansion looks will taken care of, no matter that a logical in the monetary movement and some deficiency of force in the work market. The XY meanwhile is ready to experience some additional unpredictability in the midst of financial backer receiving of the following move by the Federal Reserve, especially 15 BPS or BPS climb in September, taking a gender at the full-scale situation. The greenback seems set up by the Fed's discretion versus the majority of its G10 peers. In blend with episodes of international form and periodic of hazard avoidance. Association in the US this week, Jackson Hole seems advanced Q2 GDP growth rate initial claims Thursday. Jackson Hole Symposium PCE personal income, personal spending, with low financial costs, summer statement, Jackson Hole Symposium Saturday. Thank you for watching. See you.